So even in a hardcore fishing boat, you get some really nice, comfortable lounging pads. What's up, Tampa Bay boaters? Standing next to the Sportsman 227 Masters Platinum Edition. Let's go take a look. Platinum Edition, you get 12 additional items with this package. Trim tabs, underwater lights, helm pad, compass, and the powder coat, raw water wash, and freshwater wash, matching ice blue hull color under the T-top. Gunwale reel pads included. LED lighting included. The JL MM50 with 6 JL speakers. So in the 227, tons of storage. You got your dedicated anchor locker with friction hinges. So this is a dedicated dry box with a drain with stainless shock hinge. Here we got a dry box plus a dedicated rod storage locker as well. Plus a nice insulated fish box. So here we got an identical box on this side, all dry with 5 rod storage locker here as well. Again, stainless steel latches and hinges. So with all the Sportsman models, you're gonna get stainless latches, stainless hinges, and stainless gas shocks. So here you get a insulated cooler. So even in a hardcore fishing boat, you get some really nice, comfortable lounging pads. So here at the helm, you got the Garmin system with the SportLink technology. It's gonna give all your engine data right at your fingertips, right through your machine. So this comes with an acrylic dash that's gonna reduce glare, and it's also a standard option with the Sportsman. So we got the standard leaning post here with the flip-up bolsters and enough room to put a nice slide-in cooler. The high back, triple bench seat, easy access, live well, insulated cooler. So dedicated storage for all your cushions. The 227 is designed with CAD with innovative technologies to give you a smooth and soft ride. Hey, thanks for watching. This is Seth Brown with Thunder Marine. Hope you enjoyed the Sportsman 227. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. It's not just a boat, it's a lifestyle.